How to change your Bybit email address. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are in your Bybit account and looking to change the email address linked to your account, first of all, launch open the Bybit app on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the home page of Bybit, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. And then once you're inside this page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you do that, you'll end up in this user center page where you need to click on security. Inside security, tap on email. In the pop-up, click on change my registered email. Click on OK in the pop-up, and on the next page, you'll need to first verify your current email. Click on get code and wait for the verification code that will be sent to you via your email. Go ahead and write down the email code that you received exactly as it appears and go to the next field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, go ahead and enter the 2FA code on the next field and click confirm. Now enter your new email address on the next page. Go ahead and write down the email address you want to change to and make sure to type it down correct. Now go to the next field and click on get code. Now go check your email inbox for the code that you received. Just go ahead and copy that code, get back to the Bybit app and paste in the code and click OK. And you have successfully changed your email address. Next time while logging in, make sure to enter the newly updated email and password. So that's how you easily change your email on Bybit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.